Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing slime pet peeves with this slime. It's a pink one. Ready? So when the slime shower talks about the thing and never even says it was my thing. So here is the slime case. It's really like a null thing. Look at the slime. So I'm not going to take it out, guys, because, yeah, the slime is so sticky. Once I poke with one finger. When I poke aggressively. When they stop for a thumbnail every time. Just do that one. Nail on the shoe, that's fine. Okay, so here is the slime right here. Yeah. And they poke and then pull their finger one by one slowly. Hope y'all enjoyed that video, guys. Bye.